Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another gorgeous Gucci bag to show you today. So this is the Gucci Aphrodite. It's in the size medium. We've got that GG logo on the front in this gorgeous like antique-y looking gold hardware. So you can see that hardware is super nice and shiny. But it does have that little bit of an antique-y look to it as well, which I think goes really nicely with this tan leather. And then we've got one top handle. It is adjustable, and we'll also have two strap extenders as well. So you can make that into a longer shoulder strap, or if you use the even longer strap extender, you can make it into a crossbody strap as well. Then this belt closure has got a magnetic fasten. So I'll just lift that up. You can see that is just a magnet there. And then inside we've got microfiber lining, which is really soft, and we've got one zipped pocket in there, and that zip works really nicely, and you can see that serial code embossed into that leather there as well. So the condition of this, it is in a really nice condition, almost brand new. We've just called the exterior very good because you can see a very slight bit of scuffing to those corners, but other than that, that leather is in a perfect condition. The shape is still beautiful, and all of the rest of it, we've called the hardware and the interior excellent. There's no scratches, there is nothing for me to show you except for that it is perfect. That interior is pristine, super clean in there. So that is why I've called the interior and the hardware excellent condition. I'll show you what it comes with. With it, a little Gucci envelope. Inside there, we've got Gucci RFID, Gucci care booklet, and then we also have the original receipt inside there as well. So we've got those two strap extenders again. I'll show you how those work when I show you the size. But then we've also got Gucci dust bag, and we have Gucci box, and then finally we have got the Gucci paper bag as well, and I'm going to show you this up close because it's really cool. I love the paper bag even on its own. So it comes with all those nice extra bits, the paper bag and the box and the dust bag, so it would make a really nice boxed gift idea. If you would like to know any more exact details on it, exact measurements, or you would like the link to shop, go to the link in the description below. It should hopefully take you straight to this bag, but if it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that means it has sold. But if you've been looking out for one of these, you can let us know and we'll get you on the request list for one. And as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know. So that's the request list. Exact measurements are on the website. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10. I'm 5'4", and I'll start off by showing you that as a shoulder like that, and it's a really nice size. You've got loads of space in there, and the shape of it means that it just sits really nice and comfortably under your arm as well, and that colour is the kind of colour that just goes with everything too. I'll show you how we attach those strap extenders. So you can see we've got a little buckle. Just undo that, and I will show you with this longer extender. Slide it through like that, and then push that buckle through. So then you've got attached on one end, and then you can attach it with the other side as well to the original end of the handle. And there you go. Just do the same thing, push it through, and then pop that through that little strap there. And then you've got a nice long strap as well, which again will be adjustable because you've got a few settings to make it shorter as well. I've put it on the longest possible setting at the minute. And then you also have that shorter strap extender as well for a kind of a medium length strap. So then you can pop that on your shoulder or pop it crossbody as well. So it's a nice relaxed shape, and with this crossbody strap as well, makes a perfect everyday on the go bag. So go to the link in the description below, have a look at it on our website, have a look at all of our other gorgeous Armcandy. Don't forget while you're on there, sign up to our newsletter and we will send you through your welcome discount code to have a look at, to use on your first purchase with us. have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags. And don't forget, while you're here, like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit that alert button, and we'll be back very soon with some more gorgeous bags.